Good evening, team. So I will show you the small demo on the testing tool we have created for the Azure DevOps integration. So this is the Visual Studio IDE, and we have used the Selenium framework for this testing framework development, and programming language we have used with the C Sharp. So in generally, like in Selenium, in case of Selenium, what will have, suppose n number of test cases are there. So there will be n method will be defined, and there will be n number of entry in the input file. So what we have tried here, we have tried to generalize it, and there will be like only one method, and we will have the test like input file will be the JSON file, and we will be taking the input file from the input data from the there, and we will be run against this run method. So here you are seeing the run method, run test method. So there here we have only one method, and all the test will run against this only. So this is the ID, and let me show you like how it works. So here you are seeing the option like run the test or run the all the cases. So once you will run these cases, all the cases will get success, and then you will get option here, open additional output for this result. So once you will click on that, then you will see like all the screen prints here. So it will have like all the screen pages. So suppose you are logging to the page. So once you are successfully login, you will navigating to the next page. Then all the steps it will have the screen prints. So let me open the any of the screen print. So this is the screen print for the COVID application. Most of us we have used. So next, I will show you like how we can integrate these things to the Azure DevOps. So let me open the Azure DevOps portal. So this is the our input data files that is in JSON format. So first field you will see here, that is the URL. Then second field here we have is the str control. So for web form we will have different controls. Text box will be there, drop down will be there, button control, sorry, radio button will be there. Then we will have the checkbox also. So we will give the name of the control in this field. Then next we have the str underscore data. So suppose you are giving the any control like text box. So for related to that, we have to pass some data in the data column. Then next we have the result check. So in this case, we are checking for the health keyword. So once it's opening the COVID application, we will be checking for this health keyword. So if that is finding the health keyword, means that our case is pass, otherwise it will fail. So let me take you to the build pipeline. So how we are building the solution here. So here we have the build pipeline default, and here we have the build solution task, and here we are giving the like where is our solution file. We are giving the solution file path, and it will automatically build our solution. So here we are selecting the ID again, the Visual Studio. Then let me show you like once I will create build of this application. So you will be reaching here, and we will get the drop folder that you can say will be the our artifact. And this file generally in case of web application we will be taking to the server, but in this case we will be running our test cases. We will be not like taking any of the code to the any of the servers. So let me now take you to the release pipeline, like how our release pipelines will look like and how it will work. So let me take you to the pipeline. So here you are seeing like here we have the two stage. One is the QE and one is the UI test. So whole purpose of developing this tool was to this one only. So we are suppose we are pushing code to the QE, then we will be running few of the cases or whatever the cases are defined in the input files. So let me go to the task of the UI test. So here you will be seeing we are using the VS test task, and there again we have like test assembly. We are compiling it through sorry, running it through the test assembly, and we are giving the path of the test assembly. So once it will find that like test assembly test dot dll, then it will start the all the cases one by one. So once that case is completed. So once we are creating the release from here, and if that is success, then we will be reaching to this page. So here you will be seeing like green marks you are seeing here, and so green showing it's here. That means this release is success. So first, our suppose we have pushed successfully our code to the query server, and then we are running our unit test cases, UI test. So on the bottom you are seeing like 100% test passed. So once you will click on that, it will take you to the test section. So on test section we have filter here, so we can filter like based on the failed, aborted, pass. So let me select pass here, and then here you will see the run test method. This was the method in our code. So once you will go to the attachment section, let me expand that. So here you will see the screen print also. So that's validating like our case has passed. So again here we have the Covin one that I showed you from the Visual Studio also. So this is the how this tool works. Thank you.